Hi guys, Derek here playing with Christmas lights. I recently posted on my Facebook about these new 5-volt LEDs and I've been doing a lot of new work on them. But in this case I decided to repair an old project that I had done before and refresh it with some new figurines and new lights. Now, when I look at the video, I find that the Merry Christmas sign is a little bit too glary, so it doesn't actually pick up what it is. So that one is a fail. I'll need to remove at least half the lights or paint them over with some marker to make them dimmer, or use a PWM to cut them down. But the inside is very nice, and that is a figurine that I've altered from a big table accent. But I decided to make this a video because I wanted to show you that here's an MP3 player, and that today you can buy for around $10. It takes an SD card and it can probably play every single Christmas carol that has ever been written. And so we shouldn't really accept the fact that we have to listen to a 10-second soundbite. And in the back there I've lit the tree up with some of the colored lights that are in the range, so that gives you a nice background, as do these large white pine trees in the background there. Now, just for the record, the current draw on that Christmas tree alone is 760 milliamps at 5 volts. Now that is pretty much close to 75% of the Limax 1 amp capacity 4.5 volt adapter. So I would be very careful with using too many of those trees because they really suck up a lot of current in those lights. But here's a close-up again, and that is a different family. That was from a more recent table accent, and there you go. I've chopped it off. Took me 25 minutes to cut it off the base because it had that many parts stuck on it. The Merry Christmas sign you can just about see. So I've gone too far with the light. It was too dim when it first came out and it wasn't a good seller, and now I've gone and put too many lights on it, so I'll just dim the lights either electronically or manually by painting over the LEDs. Well, there you go folks, and let's put the music back on and see. Now, wouldn't you prefer this to paying $100 for something that was ready-made for you?
Above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent stars go by. Yet in thy dark street shine.
Okay, Derek, over and out.